Yeah. Quick, quicker, quickest. Okay. Polite, politer, and politest. Dirty, we will remove y from here, so we will write dirtier. And superlative form, dirtiest. Okay. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Close, closer, closest. Okay. Now come to next, number B. Choose the correct adjectives and fill in the blanks. The clues given below the blanks will help you. Mahima is than me. That is comparison between two people. So we will write younger. Mahima is younger than me. This apple is two things, means bigger than that apple. Today is the more than two. That means we will use the third form. More than two. Coldest day of the season. I am the dash boy in the class. More than two. That means we will use the third form. Tallest. Okay. This magazine is two. We have to compare between two. This magazine is cheaper or cheapest than the one. That one. So two, for two we will write comparative form, cheaper. Okay. This is the dash funny or funniest joke I have ever heard. That means more than two. So funniest, superlative degree. Okay. Funniest. Our house is dash than your house. So two. Comparison between two. So we will use the second form, that means comparative form, smaller. My pet is the dash of all. More than two, we will use the third form, nicest. Okay. This house is the dash in town. More than two, so biggest. Third form. She is dash than her sister. So two, between two, we have to compare between these. So second form, comparative form, thinner. Okay. Now come to next. Underline the adjectives in this story. We have to underline the adjectives. Little Red Riding Hood. So Little Red is adjective word. Wore her pretty dress. Pretty. So took a small basket. Small. And went into the big forest. Big. She saw lovely flowers. Lovely. In the woods. Okay. A tiny yellow word. Both the words tiny and yellow are adjective. Sang happily. She forgot her promise to her mother. She began to pluck flowers for her granny. She was enjoying the warm sun. Sun, so warm is adjective. She did not see the nasty wolf. What is the quality of the wolf? Nasty. Coming towards her. Okay. Hope you all understand the chapter. Okay. So learn the comparative and superlative degree of the words so that you can able to do the comparison between the adjectives. Okay students, thank you.